to all of our current and future customers. We are currently on HD DVR Series demo video number 3. Currently we're looking at an iPad tablet that is on a 3 and 4G network. We currently have an app that works with our HD DVR series called the SuperCam HD DVR. This is actually the HD version of the SuperCam app. There actually is a small fee that you have to pay to the Apple Store. It's usually about $8.99, $9 for this app, but it gives you full capabilities to be able to interact with your system and play back cameras, turn cameras on and off, and watch your cameras in crystal clear HD quality. Now, here at the SuperCam HD app, you have your login screen just like how you have it on the smartphone, where you have to add in your server, your account, which is your username, and your password. Now, you can double click on the arrow if you already have favorites. These are different sites of different customers that we have that you can see their security camera system installed. Currently, we're going to go to a particular site that it's already saved with the IP address, username, and password, and we're going to check mark remember server and log in. This is going to allow us to log in and see a customer site in real time. This happens to be a shopping plaza in North Miami. By default, it brings you up with one camera, and you have the options here at the bottom of the screen to select 1, 4, 6, 8, or 9 cameras at once. Now I'm going to click the 4 camera view, check the first 4 cameras on the screen, and click OK. This will bring up the first 4 cameras that are in this 16 channel system in real time. Now I can see what's going on minute by minute, second by second at this particular shopping plaza. I can also go and click on a camera, make it full screen. This particular camera is a PTZ Speed Dome camera, a pan, tilt, and zoom camera. This camera gives me the ability to be able to control this and move this camera at free will through the internet using the Internet Explorer, any 3G smartphone, or the tablet. Now, as you can see, the controls that came up that allow you to pan, tilt, and to zoom in the camera. Now, these particular controls here will allow you to move the camera up, down, left, right, and side to side. There's an SUV vehicle here that we're going to take an attempt at zooming in and seeing the license plate. Now I'm zooming in slowly. I'm going to begin to zoom in more, and I'm zooming in. This is a BMW X5, and as you can see, the more I'm going to zoom in, you start getting more and more clarity out of the camera and out of the image. And we're going to continue to zoom in. And anytime you have a camera that zooms in and out, you need pan, tilt, and zoom, the ability to adjust the camera at your leisure. We're going to see if we can try to capture this license plate here on this BMW X5 SUV. Now this camera can zoom in actually over 300 times. I'm going slowly through the internet and I'm zooming in more and more. Currently right now at the top of the screen, it's only zoomed in 8 times. It can go up to 300 times with this clarity. Let me see if I can get this particular PTZ to move into the license plate. Currently, I'm able to read the plate. It's the letters AVJN11 on this BMW X5. This is the type of clarity and high definition that comes out of HD cameras that are pan, tilt, and zoom. This is a special type of camera for special applications if you need to capture license plate capture or face identity capabilities. This camera is excellent also for seeing long ranges as well too, such as a shopping plaza where you're trying to cover hundreds of feet of area as far as seeing customer traffic, incidents, vehicles. Now, that's one particular camera. I'm going to go back to the first 4 cameras. Cameras 1, 2, and 3 are PTZs. Camera 1 is intended to get license plate capture. Camera 2 is intended to get face identity out of customers coming in and out of the shopping plaza. And camera 3 is actually on the roof to see any activity on the roof. Now we can select 4 other cameras to see 4 traditional wide angle cameras and see how they look on the SuperCam app. As you can see, you're getting excellent clarity and you're able to see nice HD quality out of the cameras, and you're able to see what's going on at the shopping plaza in detail. You can also go and select 9 cameras at once. I'm going to go and select the first 9 cameras and click OK. And now I'm able to see all 9 cameras covering the entire perimeter of the shopping plaza in great detail, all in real time. You can also, which you have the ability on the iPad tablet in any 3G tablet, is the ability to also come in and go to the playback, control settings, information, and server list capabilities. Something you cannot do on a 3G smartphone. You can watch the cameras in real time on a 3G smartphone, but you cannot shut off and play back cameras like you can on an iPad. You come here to the playback. It's going to load up the playback interface. At the top here you have where you can choose your date. The second, you can choose your time. And at the third here, you can choose your channel number, your particular camera that you're looking for. So I'm going to look at today's date. I'm going to change the date to, let's say, the time to 11 a.m. in the morning, today's date. And I'm basically just going to play back probably just camera 1 here, so I could see the activity that's going on in front of this shopping plaza. And I hit the search button. Let me see. You'll have to hit remote search because you're searching remotely, and you're able to get all the events of motion that were carried on camera 1 and today's date. So I'm going to select a particular time and event, and I'm here and I'm able to see today's date, 12/22/2011, at 1700 hours, because it's military time, which is about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm seeing in real time a camera moving out of the way, right in front of actually of the PTZ camera. And I'm seeing real-time movement on the street in front of the shopping plaza, all in HD quality. Reliable video if and when you need it to capture any events at your place of business. And you can close out and select different cameras, different times, and different events. Gives you full capabilities of searching remotely through the internet from the luxury of your iPad, and you can search anywhere in the world. You can also close out and go back to live. It's a very easy to use interface, and you have the capabilities just like the on any smartphone, the ability to watch different cameras, capture stilled images, play back, and hear audio and two-way audio, all from the iPad. It's an excellent system if you have a professional business and you need to cover any and all business activity and transactions going on. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a great day.